Hey fam, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be drawing a cone in 2-point perspective. Start with the horizon line and mark the center. Draw the center line perpendicular to the horizon. Mark 3 inches above and below the horizon. Connect the points to the right vanishing point. Mark 1.5 inches above and below the horizon. Connect the points to your left vanishing point. Draw a vertical line where they intersect. Mark 1.75 inches to the left of the center line. Draw a vertical line from this point, making sure it's parallel to your center line. Connect your vertical line to your vanishing point. Find the center of the square using the cross section. Draw a vertical line from the center. You now have all 4 points for your ellipse to touch. Connect the points with curves to create an ellipse in 2-point perspective. This red square is held between 4 blue lines from the vanishing point. We'll call the black lines the outer vanishing lines and the blue lines will be the inner vanishing lines. We'll draw another square from where the center line intersects the inner vanishing lines. Find the center of the new square using the cross section and draw an ellipse. Extend a line from the center line to the outer vanishing line. Draw a vertical line where it intersects. Connect this point to the center line. Draw your cross section and find the center of the square. Draw a vertical through the center and connect the points to form an ellipse. From the center line of this new square, we'll repeat the process. Draw the center line from this new square and repeat the process again. For this last square, I started with the outer vertical line just to change up the flow. Connect your vertical line to the inner vanishing line. Draw a vertical line where they intersect. Connect your verticals and draw an ellipse inside the square using the cross section. Connect the top of the circles to the vanishing point to create a cone. Thanks for drawing with me, and I'll see you in the next video.